ధనుష్ వెల్కమ్ టు ఐ డ్రీమ్. ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు ఉన్న గెస్ట్ కావ్య. అంటే ఇస్మార్ట్ శంకర్తో ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఎంత పెద్ద హ్యూజ్ హిట్ అయిందో మనందరికీ తెలుసు. డబుల్ ఇస్మార్ట్తో ఇప్పుడు రిలీజ్ అయిన టీజర్, ట్రైలర్, సాంగ్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి మొత్తం అంతా మెంటల్ మాస్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఆడియన్స్ అనమాట. సో ఇంత రెస్పాన్స్కి రీజన్ ఏంటో అందరికీ తెలుసు, పూరి జగన్నాథ్ గారు అండ్ రామ్ గారు. అండ్ వాళ్ళతో పాటు కొత్తగా జాయిన్ అయిన కావ్య గారు ఇది మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. ఈ సినిమా గురించి మరెన్నో విషయాలు డిస్కస్ చేయడం రెడీగా ఉన్నారు. మాట్లాడేసి మరెన్నో విషయాలు తెలిసిన ప్రయత్నం అయితే చేద్దాం. హాయ్ కావ్యజీ.
Hello, how
ఎలా
are
ఉన్నారు?
you? I'm good, how are you?
వెరీ మచ్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ అండ్ వెరీ గుడ్. హ్యాపీ టు సీ యూ. అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ మనం మీ కెరియర్ స్టార్టింగ్లో ఏక్మినీ కదా అప్పుడు కలిసాం. దాని తర్వాత ద వే యు ఆర్ చూసింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్, అంటే ఈక్వల్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉన్న క్యారెక్టర్స్ అంతా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నారు. ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్ సెలెక్షన్ వెనకాల రీజన్ ఏంటి?
For me, when I read the script, for me it has to be important to bring a lot to the table in terms of I want to work as much as I can, of course, and I want to do characters that best suit with me, do something different because I've only done a few films now, and I try to achieve something different, something new with every character, and that's what this film had to offer. And to be like a single heroine in such a big legacy was, of course, it was like the icing on the cake for me. To be a part of a team like Puri Connects and Puri Jagannath and a Mani Sharma musical starring with Ram as his love interest, I mean that's a big deal for me. So definitely there is no choice in that. I had to do it like 100%. But yeah, definitely the roles and how much I can offer to the film also matters a lot to me, and how important a character is to the script.
What is the main reason to accept the script? Ram gara ledante Puri Jagannath gara or Double Smart?
First Puri sir, definitely, because I always wanted to work under Puri sir's direction. I'm a director's actor, so I wanted to experience working with him and be his heroine, you know, a Puri Jagannath heroine. Definitely, I wanted that label to my name. Then to work alongside Ram, definitely, because he's so good looking, he's so passionate, he's so determined, and I've really genuinely learned so much from him as a co-star. And I was very happy to share the screen space. Then to learn that the star I've like literally grown up seeing, Sanjay sir, and to work alongside him, that's another reason definitely. And yeah.
సో మాకు ఇద్దరు హీరోస్ కనిపిస్తున్నారు. ఇద్దరు హీరోసా ఇద్దరు విలన్సా?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like it was like a double blessing.
సో అంటే పూరి జగన్నాథ్ గారు అనగానే హీరోయిన్స్ బాగా చూపిస్తారు ఆయన ఫిలిమ్స్లో. హీరోయిన్స్కి మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళకి ఫైట్స్ ఉంటాయి, యాక్షన్ సీక్వెన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి, అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం రొమాన్స్ ఉంటుంది, డ్యాన్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ సినిమాలో మేము చూసిన ట్రైలర్స్, టీజర్స్లో, గ్లిమ్స్లో అట్లలో మీది కూడా సేమ్ డ్యాన్స్ నెంబర్ ఉంది, యాక్షన్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఉంది, రొమాన్స్ ఉంది. సో ఎలా అనిపించింది ఓవరాల్గా ఈ ప్యాక్డ్?
Exactly, it's a perfect mix, perfect package of everything that an audience wants to go and witness in the theater, an experience they buy a ticket for, and to go to theater for this movie offers and delivers righteously. So definitely it's going to be a treat for the audience and the fans.
So what is the exciting thing? Action sequence or romance or dance?
Definitely action sequence first, then the dance, and then the romance. Romance I've done enough and lots of, because like in the previous also the characters was as such, and I never really got the opportunity to showcase my dance in this way, and I'm very happy that people can finally see that, oh, I can dance, get a move here and there. And the fighting bit I personally really wanted to explore. I wished to do a proper action oriented film, but how much ever I got, I was very happy with, and to be able to experience that was very nice.
And what is your characterization in this film?
Jannat, she is a very bold, strong-headed, righteous woman, and she tries to do the right thing, but sometimes lands in different and difficult situations. So, and how she manages through, and she's very strong-willed, very determined, and very honest, and also very innocent and cute. You know what I mean? So that's what her characterization is.
what is the main thing you like most in Ishmat Shankar?
The character of Ismat Shankar. It was very unique, very different to the cinema, and you could see, like, as an actor, you can see these things a little bit, that Ram really enjoyed playing that character. Like, he gave it his all. Even the storyline and the way it connected to you emotionally in terms of, like, the boyfriend-girlfriend vibe, that also I really connected with. Like, how he missed her, and, you know, that's something I found very cute.
So working with Charmi garu,
Yeah.
ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Amazing. Definitely, I was like a baby. She took care of me like no other. She's a boss lady. She's a powerhouse, and she gets things done. Just the things a producer needs, she encapsulated everything. So yeah, she's very inspirational, and I love her.
నాకు తెలిసి 2024 మీదే అనుకుంటా, ఆల్మోస్ట్ థర్డ్ ఫిలిం ఇన్ 2024.
Yeah.
ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
I feel very good. Like,
నెమ్మదిగా అట్లా బిగ్ హీరోయిన్స్ దానికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు.
no, nothing like that. But I just feel very happy to be able to do so much work. I love what I do. I'm very passionate about my work. And to be on set, to be able to work on such great teams, be a part of such amazing legacies and films, I mean, it's just a blessing, because so many of the there is like a pool of actors and actresses in this industry, and God chose me to do these parts. So I'm very grateful and thankful. Like, I can't even imagine, because I come from outside and I didn't have any source. I didn't even expect these things to happen to me, and they are. So I just thank God every step of the way.
సో పూరి గారితో ట్రావెలింగ్ ఎలా అనిపించింది? అంటే ఆయనతో ఉన్నప్పుడు నాట్ ఓన్లీ సినిమా, లైఫ్ గురించి కూడా చాలా ఫిలాసఫీస్ కానీ లైఫ్లో లెసన్స్ కానీ మనం చెప్తూ ఉంటారు, వింటూ ఉంటాం. సో వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిస్కషన్స్ యూ హ్యాడ్ విత్ పూరి గారు?
A lot. I've had like all kinds and all categories of discussions with him. He's a very wise person, very experienced man in life and professionally and personally. He's so experienced. He's a very deep person. He thinks deeply. He thinks different and unique and fresh. He's with the times, you know. He's not like living in the 80s or something, or when he was born. Some people do that. He goes with the time and changes with the time and accustomed. He's so adjusting and casual and cool, patient. I love his demeanor. So yeah, lots, like, I've learned a lot from him.
అండ్ మేజర్లీ మాకు ఈ సాంగ్ చూసినప్పుడు డ్యాన్స్, మీరు చెప్పిన ప్రీవియస్ సినిమాలో ఎక్కడ మీ ఇంత పర్ఫార్మెన్స్, డ్యాన్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఓరియంటెడ్ సాంగ్స్ ఏం లేవు.
Yeah, exactly.
సో ఆఫ్టర్ ఈ సాంగ్ చూసిన తర్వాత ఓకే, కావ్య గారు విల్ డ్యాన్స్, ఓకే అర్థమైంది, డ్యాన్స్ కూడా చేయగలుగుతారు, డ్యాన్స్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా చేయగలుగుతారు. అండ్ మాకు ఈ సాంగ్ కోసం ఈగర్గా మేము థియేటర్స్లో చూడటానికి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో పర్టికులర్గా ఈ సాంగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు?
This experience was a little tough for me. I was having a very bad time during the shoot in terms of my health deteriorating very severely on the first day. I was not well at all. And that continued, like, I was on heavy medications every day for the 4 days that I don't know how and from what. I think it's only God's grace that I could put in all my energy. And I wanted to do my best in this, because this song was very special to me, in terms of it being the first dance song of my career in so many years, to be able to have the opportunity to do a pakka masala Telugu number, you know, something I've wanted to do for the longest time. Even in Eagle we had planned it, but I did not get the opportunity at that time because it was not sitting well with the script and the characterization. But then when I had this, I was very excited for it. Like, Charmi ma'am, she kept saying, Kavya, there's this amazing dance number. We have to kill it. We have to kill it. And then I think 4 days later, after the song wrapped and she sat and watched, she whistled and she like screamed and she was like, that's my masala, like, that's my makhan, that's my... And she sent me a huge message of how proud she was and how much she loved it. And that was my achievement that day.
So Sanjay Dutt gartho combination scenes unnaya meeku?
Yeah.
Culture sets lo?
Yeah, of course. We had a lot of fun. We were both Punjabi, so we used to speak in Punjabi and stuff and talk and enjoy. It's a very good experience. He's a very, very funny and very chill guy. I love how he is. Like, you know, his style, he's super cool and he just has a vibe. He's a very, like, awesome vibe person.
So what kind of discussions you had with Sanjay Dutt?
I can't remember these discussions because they were a little too far back in my memory. It was last year almost. But yeah, whatever, like in general, like, I don't know, just everything. Just general conversations we used to speak about.
సో డబుల్ ఇస్మార్ట్లో పీపుల్ దేనికోసం ఎక్కువ ఎగ్జైట్ అవ్వచ్చు అండ్ థియేటర్కి మేము వచ్చినప్పుడు మేము ఏం చూడగలుగుతాం సినిమాలో?
It's a mixed genre film. It has comedy, it has love, it has action, it has entertainment, it has masala, it has mental madness of Ismat Shankar. So it is a culmination of a lot of genres. So you will get, like I said, it's like a treat for the audience because you will go and witness this and you will get everything.
What is Double Smart for you?
Double Smart for me is a pakka entertaining, masala, mass, mental movie that people are going to really, really enjoy in theaters. That experience, that larger than life experience, the climax, everything, it's crazy that people are just going to have fun throughout. From the beginning to the end, people are going to be engaged through the film. So that's something I'm excited about. Also, the concept is far more new and it's just double the entertainment. Yeah.
So next projects enti maybe?
I have a next film which is coming up would be Vishwam. And then I have a couple more in pipeline that I can't discuss right now.
అంటే చరణ్ గారు ఫ్యాన్ అని చెప్పారు, చాలా రామ్ చరణ్ గారు అంటే ఇష్టం అని చెప్పారు. రామ్ చరణ్ గారితో ఫిల్మ్ ఎప్పుడు ఉండొచ్చు?
Bhagwan dekho abhi, I don't know, how can I say? I mean, let's see. I hope things work out in the future. Definitely, I would love to do a film with Ram sir. I admire him so much. So definitely.
So what is the best compliment you got from Double Smart Shankar?
I think because people first time witnessed me dancing, they were mainly about my dance. That, oh my God, you're such a powerhouse, you're an energy, and this and that. Like, you know, you really matched Ram sir, and everybody knows Ram sir's dance and energy is next level. So to be able to match him was like a very big compliment for me. And the looks that were given to me in the film, the way I'm looking and everything, it's very different for people to see. So they really enjoyed that. And now the trailer has come out recently. So everybody is seeing a couple more scenes and they're really looking forward to the film even more. So that's a very big compliment for me.
Okay. From the audience?
For Puri sir also, he said I'm a good actress. So I was like, yay! That was like a very big thing for me.
Yeah, from the audience.
From the audience, this only. Like dancing mainly because they saw me in a very different avatar in terms of dancing. And then let's see after the movie what all compliments